Sunbao is a professional custom machining factory with 22 years of experience. We are combined ISO 9001 and TÜV approved manufacturing facilities with innovative engineering, competitive pricing and outstanding customer service. Have completed over 10,000 plus projects. We supply fully finished parts to many companies from a range of industries including aerospace, automotive, robotics, household appliances, electronic communications, automation equipment, smart home and medical equipment and many more. We provide one-stop services, including mold making, die casting, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, stamping, injection molding, 3D printing, special surface finishes and simple assembly to meet all your requirements. Customization based on drawings and samples, supports prototype, we keep our promises. We deliver our expert services on time, to budget and to the high possible quality standards. We ensure high quality products for our customers through strict quality control, assuring that products move through the global supply chain efficiently and cost effectively. Welcome to Inquire Us.